I get a call. Sorry, I get a call. When I hear me?
Yeah, man. We there, my father. Clearly.
Yeah, but may I say, if me go out and as me go out, you call me and you not get me, I'm text you and tell you say I'm out. And then later in the night when me asleep, you call me and you not get me. That is not good enough cause for block me and tell me for fuck off and then something
No,
there.
because in the morning now, after you make me wait up long in the morning now, me text you and me say, hi, and then you text me back say hi, so me start calling now, you not answer. So me say fuck off and block you. But me did unblock you in the next 1 hour. I mean, not see you
Oh.
text me no time after that.
No. No, but me, if my message you one time, I must say block. Me not go figure say for the message again.
Because if you did care for me, then you would have, as you say, you care for me, right? You would have done it. But I guess I just don't match your speed. I don't got a Tesla. So it's fine.
Say something.
Yeah, go ahead,
Lincoln.
sir.
So, you tell her, say you're already there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because she said she left you and she want there with me, you know.
Because
So
you were acting caring and everything, and then you start,
because I am caring.
and then you would call and check on me and stuff, and whereas
Yeah.
I wouldn't do that.
Yes.
But then you would stop being caring at one point, and
You are wicked. You are wicked. And you
Couple
love play mind game with a little
hours.
but me
turtle.
did tell her,
Your
me did
mouth, you
tell
see
her
your
the
mouth.
truth.
Your mouth big no blood clot with a big
But me
old
did,
mouth.
you fear
You
my
are
big
wicked no
about
blood
that.
clot. You are yammed.
Me
You
did
are
tell her the
yammed.
truth.
You gonna be a blood clot, yammed. You's a yammed. You's a
But me did
wicked.
tell her something
Move
that
your
me
blood
about.
clot and go.
But me did tell her what happened.
Don't talk to me.
So you want Brit there? Did. On the left, you know want her back. No, she wicked.
Why? Jesus Christ! Why?
She this